Powerful and blessed Tuesday morning, my MVP family, all you powerful, awesome people. It's a brand new day. It's a beautiful day, and I'm just here today to just share some fruits with you that we have. So guys, look, we did get some mangoes yesterday. I came down and yeah, I know it's mango time, mango season, but I didn't get too greedy about the mangoes. But we have mangoes today, guys. I'm actually going to have a couple mangoes along with my oatmeal this morning. We still have a papaya, and we have our jelly coconuts. My God, big up Jamaica every time they have the thing here. And we still have a lot of pineapple left. I'm sure we're not going to finish the pineapple. It's a lot. But we'll try not to make it go to waste. We actually been keeping it here in the refrigerator. But I just want to say a big blessed Tuesday morning, everybody. That's my breakfast, a bowl of oatmeal, and I'm gonna have 2 mangoes. So I cut the sides, guys, so that it will be easy to manage. A bowl of oatmeal. And let's just walk out to see how the sun is on this beautiful sunny Tuesday morning, guys. Look at the sky, so nice and clear. So we want to just say good morning, everybody, all my MVP families, all of the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for your support. Absolutely appreciate you. If I pull up a little on the water, but there's no ships coming in. There are no ships coming in. So it's calm and peaceful over there in the water. So much to be thankful for, guys. There's a little bit of wind. So the palm tree here is doing its thing. Yeah, you come out on the veranda and it's so nice and cool till you get the breeze from the sea. So just saying good morning, everybody. Make it a great day by choice. Do the best you can do. Make sure you take care of number 1, which is yourselves. Be good to yourselves. And make sure that you are in a good place so you can be support for somebody else. So this is your girl, Miss Bev, and I'm going to be now as I go in and get some breakfast and get ready for the new day. So much love, everybody. Mwah. To everybody, thank you for your support.